I want to do it.
Look, come on, do it again. Has he got hiccups? Come on. Oh, this skeleton's got hiccups. What are you doing to that? Has he got hiccups? Bite your fingers. Hiccups again. Hiccups. Oh, poor skeleton. What? He's going to sleep now. He's going to sleep. Sleep. Oh, he's got a bad case of hiccups. You need to give him a shock. You need to go boo and see if his hiccups will go. Go boo. Boo. Come on, do it again. What are you doing? You're biting his fingers. Poor skeleton. Poor. That's Jack. It looks like Jack Skellington a bit, doesn't it? It's his brother, I think. Mac. Skeleton. Any more hiccups?
No.